Hi, Brahmantia here. I will show you how SEO Machine Lite works. There are 8 modules here. Load links, and check all of them. And this module show you whether the page has the follow or no follow links, and give you the assumption if the page is the follow or the no follow. Competition check first. Let's load the keyword. There are 3 parameters. First is on title, exact, and then sometimes we call it real competition. And let's do it. Okay, I'll show you all the competition you need, and let's move. Link extract, and you can choose external only. First we load the links first. Okay, so loading the links. Choose the external if you want the external links only. Choose the internal if you want the internal link only, or both. And then extract. It will extract all the links on these pages. And we got like 17,000 or maybe more. Okay, more than 20,000. And let's move. Links. Load links again. Okay. And check. This model will show you whether the links are alive or not. And okay, it's alive. Let's move. And I'll check. Outbound link checker will show you the external and internal links number on these pages. So if this page has 45 external links, and it will tell you. So let's close. Proxy scraper. Let's clear first the link. And we have some setting here. You can change the search string, like proxy 2013, or maybe the months, or anything you want, anything you need. And scrape at least 20 proxy sources, and you can change it to 100 if you want. And if 20 is enough, and you can just 20 proxy sources. And search engine you can choose from Google or Bing. And let's auto scrape and check. And after they scrape the proxy sources, they will check it. They will check it from this model. Yes, it's using the proxy checker model, so it goes to the proxy checker automatically. Like you can see here, we got some site test passed. And if you want to check the type and speed, for here you can check 2. You can check this part. If not, then you can just uncheck here if you want just the site test passed proxies. And you can just stop and just test pass proxies. Okay, let's check the last module. It's suggestion script. Let's choose how to. You can choose your languages. All popular languages are here. You can check Indonesian keyword, UK keyword, US keyword, Chinese, etc. can choose new search domain, exploring more, change the setting, use proxy or not, and change the timeout. Let's try this one, how to, the buying keyword. Okay, we can get a lot of keyword here, just choosing from Google. Yes, it's a lot of how to keyword, how to block a number, blah 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 blah. Oh, it's a lot. Okay, you can see the power of this software. And that's all our 8 modules. You can get this software for free by referring 7 visitors, and this is a limited time offer, so get it soon before we change our minds. And please subscribe to our list to get free updates. Thank you.